Oh, cool. 2 videos. 2 cameras, so 2 videos. Yeah, Bluetooth was. Come on. So, need to do a Bluetooth update. So, you do this like this. Check. Download it from JVC page. Stop music, please don't play music because my video will be blocked. So okay, let's go. Menu, check. Settings, firmware update. For system update, take this. Okay, we already done this. But Bluetooth, let's make again. Firmware update and reading from USB stick. Okay, fountain. Okay, yes, go. So now it will be taking like 20 minutes. So the principle you understand. So that's how you update Bluetooth. After done, your new smartphone with Bluetooth 5.0 or 5.1 should connect to JVC Bluetooth unit with no problems. Okay, let's wait. Or let's don't wait. Okay, bye.